Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Well, I guess unofficially after 5 p.m. we can say that we're in the evening, but wow, it is just toasty hot out there right now, and it will be, I imagine, for hours to come.
For quite some time. It's not going to cool down for several hours or several days. To give you an idea of how hot it is, my tie was blue this morning when I put it on, and it is now red. So it's unbelievably hot outside. It's above average by more than 7 to 12 degrees in most locations, and we still have a lot of heat ahead. We have some clouds in the sky, but it's just not helping cool us down at all. The temperature's way above average for everyone. Chico, and this is one of the cooler spots around the city at the airport, 106 degrees under a partly cloudy sky. The clouds certainly not cooling us off. Redding has had a high so far of 109. It's right now 107 degrees, even hotter around Red Bluff, 108. We've also had a high of at least 109 today in Red Bluff and Oroville. It's been at least 104. Right now it's 103 with very little wind, only 6 miles an hour out of the west. Once again, here are our excessive heat warnings and heat advisories. The advisories in orange, not as severe, but it's going to be hot for everybody. Between 95 and 112 degrees for valley and foothill locations for most of the Central Valley, north to south across California. So do what you can during the morning hours when it's not quite as hot outside, but it's still going to be uncomfortable for most locations. Drink plenty of water, seek the shade, and get that air conditioning. It's definitely going to be needed. Check on the elderly as well as your kids and your pets too. So obviously a hot weekend ahead. Temperatures between 102 and 112. Not much wind, but not much moisture in the atmosphere either. We'll have some tropical clouds coming our way, but the fire danger is still in the high category, as you can see. And look at all these hot temperatures around the region. Even Truckee is 88 degrees right now. It's 103 degrees in Weaverville, 76 in Eureka. It's even warming up right along the coast. 102 degrees right now in Hayfork, 89 degrees in Mount Shasta. And there's a 99-degree temperature right now in Paradise. So we've had some high clouds streaming overhead, isolated thunderstorms trying to break out over the eastern slopes of the Sierra, but not much rain is in our forecast. We'll still have more of those tropical clouds coming our way, which means another chance or two for some isolated showers and storms. But again, it won't be benefiting most of us. We'll just have a couple lightning strikes here and there, isolated showers, but just a muggier feel and definitely hotter for everybody. Now, if you do have a tea time set up, I hope it's early, maybe 7 a.m. or so, because it's going to get much hotter, much faster. By 3 p.m. in the triple digits on average around the valley. And that might be some of the cooler locations, so keep that in mind if you do have any outdoor plans. Here are your highs for tomorrow in the northern mountains, upper 90s, lower 100s for highs on Saturday, and it's going to be just about as hot on Sunday too. For the Sierra, upper 90s, lower 100s also, a slight chance for some mountain thunderstorms, but very little activity, just a lot of heat. Also for the ridge, look at this, between 100 and 103 degrees tomorrow. Overnight lows not recovering well, staying mainly in the 70s, and by the time we get to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, there'll be some lows in the upper 70s and lower 80s. For highs tomorrow around Redding, Red Bluff, and Corning, 110 degrees tomorrow. For the Chico area tonight, we'll have lower to mid 70s for overnight lows. Daytime highs, they are going to be hot, between 107 and 108 degrees locally, possible up to 110. So make sure you are very careful. The next 7 days in Chico, we are not going to get much relief at all. Daytime highs between 100 and 107 degrees all the way through next Friday, with a few more clouds Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And for Redding, 103 to 110 degrees, potentially dangerous heat. We know that it's going to be hot this time of year, but our average high this time of year is 97 degrees. So today it's going to be way above average.
That's a whole lot of hot.
It is.
Thanks, Jason. Fire crews are back.